In this video, we're going to analyze Madoka's quote from Mahou Shoujo Madoka Magica. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
私、魔女にはなりたくない。嫌なことも悲しいこともあったけど、守りたいものだってたくさんこの世界にはあったから。
So today's quote is 私、魔女にはなりたくない。私 means I. 魔女 means a witch. にはなりたくない。If I break this down, it's になりたくない with the particle は。Noun になりたくない means not want to become something. なりたくない is the negative form of なりたい meaning want to become, which consists of なる meaning to become and the auxiliary verb たい meaning want to. So, 魔女になりたくない means not want to become a witch. Then why do you need this particle は? What particle basically has two functions. One is for the topic of a sentence and the other is for contrast. In this sentence, は for the topic is supposed to be after 私, but it's omitted here, which often happens in colloquial speech. So this は is the particle for contrast. In this situation, she's contrasting being a witch with not being a witch. Using this contrastive particle は changes the nuance of this sentence to I want to become anything but a witch. So she's implying that she really does not want to become a witch. Here are some examples with the contrastive particle は。ここにはありません。彼には会いたくない。So, 私、魔女にはなりたくない means I do not want to become a witch. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.